Hi guys, I'm Bea. Welcome to my 18th birthday debut.
Around my room, I think it light the spark. When daylight comes, I feel it burning in my heart. Wide awake and dreaming when the sun is up, finding ways to fly before my time is up into the sky. Today is no exception, we are going high.
Ate, ingat ka palagi. Lahat gagawin ni Mami para sa'yo. Ayusin mo lagi pag-aaral mo, magtapos ka.
Yes.
Lahat gagawin ni Mami para sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday, Bea! We love you!
Happy birthday, Bea! Know na I love you so much. Sana maging successful ka in your life. I wish you all the best in life.
Don't let it fade away.
Thank you kasi, Mama, kasi nandito ka palagi sa akin kahit nasa Japan ka. And nagpapasalamat ako kasi naging mama kita. I'm sorry kasi lagi ako pasaway. Kahit di naman lagi. I love you so much, Mama. Mahal
Love you,
kita.
ate. Huwag na mag-boyfriend.
Ay.
Iyak pala dito.
Happy birthday, Ate Bea! I love you! Amen!
Amen!
Arat!